Hi friends, so today we are moving into part 10 of module 1 of power generation, transmission and protection, and in this part we are going to discuss assignment problems related to economics of generation. The subject power generation comes under the 5th semester electrical and electronics engineering students of KTU syllabus. So now let's directly move on to the problem. Here you can see economics of generation. The problems related to economics of generation will be dealt today. So assignment 1 problems. Let us go through a detailed study of the problem. The first problem is a power station is to supply 4 regions of load whose peak values are 10,000 kilowatt, 5,000 kilowatt, 8,000 kilowatt and 7,000 kilowatt. Okay, and the diversity factor of the load of the station is 1.5 and the average annual load factor is 0.6, that means 60%. Calculate the maximum demand on the station and the annual energy supplied from the station. So let us find out what is the answer for each of them. Okay, so I'm just dividing this portion into half so that we can solve each of them. First they are asked to find, so I'm not again writing all the values. The given values you have to note down first, then only you have to start the problem. So I'm not writing out here. So let us start doing the problem. The question is to find what is the maximum demand. So you should have an idea about all the equations which are used for this economics of generation. Then only it will be easy for you to find the answer. So the given value is, first one is diversity factor. So diversity factor, we should know the equation for diversity factor. The diversity factor equation is sum of the individual maximum demands, sum of individual maximum demands or peak loads divided by the maximum demand of a power station. I'm just writing as MD of the power station, Okay, so you are asked to find what is the maximum demand of the power station. The other two values are given in the question, that is diversity factor and individual maximum demands are also given. So you can easily find out the maximum demand. What will be the equation then? Maximum demand will be equal to, maximum demand of the power station will be equal to sum of the individual maximum demands divided by the diversity factor. So what are the values given? 10,000, okay, plus 5,000 plus 8,000 plus 7,000 whole divided by, what is the value of diversity factor given? It is 1.5. So altogether, by finding out the answer, you will be getting it as, here the unit is kilowatt and here there is no unit in the denominator. Why? Because the diversity factor is not having a unit. So by finding out the answer, you will be getting it as 20,000 kilowatt. So this will be your first answer, that is what is the answer for maximum demand. So the maximum demand value, it is equal to, of the power plant is equal to 20,000 kilowatt. Okay, hope this is clear for you. Let's go for the second question. In the same one, we are having a sub question. What is the next question? Annual energy supplied from the station. And for this, they have given a clue also. The annual load factor is given in the question. What is the annual load factor? It is given as 0.6. You should be aware about the equation for annual load factor. Annual load factor is equal to, what is the equation for annual load factor? Average load. Average load means average load of the annually divided by the maximum demand of the power station. So annual load factor is given in the question, that is 0.6, and average load, you have to find it out. Maximum demand is already there. So we have to find the annual energy. I'll be explaining how you will find annual energy from this one. So first, before finding the annual energy, first we have to find out the average load. Why? Because we cannot directly find out what is the annual energy supplied. So first we have to find out what is the average load. Average load is equal to, how can we find the average load? We have to multiply this maximum demand and load factor. So maximum demand is 20,000 kilowatt. Okay. And the load factor is given as 0.6. 60% means 0.6. While multiplying these two, you will be getting the answer as 12,000 kilowatt. Okay. 12,000 kilowatt. Now, how can this be used for finding out the annual energy being supplied from the station? So, average load, we know the equation for average load. Annual average load will be equal to, everything is annually calculated. So annual average load is equal to, what will be the value? Actual energy being supplied annually divided by 8760. This value, this equation you have to study, and actual energy divided by 8760, which means there are 8760 hours in a year. So the average load annual is equal to this equation. Now from this we can find out what is the value for the average load, actual energy. Average load we have already found it out, it is 12,000 kilowatt. From this you can find out what is the actual energy. So actual energy, annual actual energy is equal to, it is equal to, what will be the value? You have to multiply 8700 with this average load. So what will be the equation? 8760 hours into 12,000 kilowatt. So what will be the equation then? Sorry, the answer then? You will get the answer as 105,120,000 kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. Okay, now we can simplify this one and write it as, we can easily write it as 105.12 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour. So the annual energy being supplied is equal to, what is the answer? Here you can see the answer. Annual energy being supplied is equal to this much kilowatt hour. 105.12 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour. So this is how we can solve the first problem. Let us now move on to the second problem. A generating station has the following maximum loads. What are the values given? Maximum loads are 16,000 kilowatt, 12,000 kilowatt, 10,000 kilowatt, 7,000 kilowatt and 800 kilowatt. And the annual load factor is 0.5, that means 50%. Calculate the diversity factor and the annual energy consumption if the maximum demand on the station is noted as 24,000 kilowatt. So this question is a similar problem which we have already done as the first one. The only difference is that in the previous one the diversity factor was given and you were asked to find the maximum demand. Here it is a reverse. Okay, that is the only change. So this will be very easy for you to solve if you have studied the previous one. Okay, so let us start solving this problem. All the values are given here. The load factor is mentioned as 50%, which means 0.5, and the diversity factor you have to find it out. One more thing is given, that is the maximum demand. Maximum demand is shown as 24,000 kilowatt. Okay, so you are asked to find what is the diversity factor first. We know the equation for diversity factor. What is the equation for diversity factor? Diversity factor is equal to sum of the individual maximum demands, sum of the individual maximum demands divided by the maximum demand of the power station. What are the values? We know all the values. It is given. The maximum demand is also given. Just substitute and find out the answer. So 16,000 plus 12,000 plus 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 kilowatts divided by, what is the maximum demand? It is given as 24,000 kilowatt. Okay, so by solving this one, you will be obtaining the answer as 1.9. Okay, so the diversity factor, the answer for diversity factor, you will be obtaining it as 1.9. Okay, I hope you understood the solution. Let's move on to the second question in this one itself. What is the second question? You're asked to find what is the annual energy consumption. It is also very simple as the load factor is given. Same as we did in the previous problem. So first what we have to find out? First we have to find out what is the average load. What is the average load? How can we find the average load? We know that load factor. You just check the equation for load factor. What is the equation for load factor? Yeah, load factor is equal to average load divided by the maximum demand. Okay, average load you can find from this equation. Load factor is given in the question as 0.5 and the maximum demand it is given in the question as 24,000 kilowatt. Okay, from this you can easily find out what is the average load. So the average load will be equal to the multiplication of these two, that means 24,000 kilowatt multiplied with 0.5 and your answer will be 12,000 kilowatt. Okay, now our actual question is to find what is the annual energy being supplied. So how can we find it? Just like we did in the previous case, average load means annual energy supplied, annual energy supplied divided by the hours in a year. That means 8,760 hours. So what will be the annual energy supplied? Annual energy will be equal to 8,760 into the average load, which means 12,000 kilowatt into 8,760 hours, which means it will be equal to same as the previous answer, that is 105.12 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour. So this answer is same as we got in the previous case. So here you can note down the answer. Annual energy is equal to this much kilowatt hour. 105.12 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour. So that is our answer. So let's now move on to the next question. Our last question is a very simple question. A power station has a maximum demand of 15,000 kilowatt and the annual load factor is 50%. You are asked to find out the annual load factor is 0.5 and capacity factor is 0.4. You are asked to find what is the reserve capacity of the plant. So how can we solve this problem? So first of all, if you know all the equations, it becomes very easy to solve this problem. Maximum demand is given in the question. What is the maximum demand? Maximum demand is given as 15,000 kilowatt. Okay, annual load factor is given as 0.5 and the capacity factor, that means the plant capacity factor, it is equal to 0.4. You are asked to find what is the reserve capacity. So we should be aware of the equations for this load factor and capacity factor. Let us go through the equation for load factor. What is the equation for annual load factor? Annual average load divided by maximum demand. So you are aware about the load factor and the maximum demand, from which you can easily find out what is the average load. So what will be the average load then? Average load is equal to the multiplication of maximum demand and load factor. Both values are given, which means 0.5 into 15,000 kilowatt. Your answer will be 7,500 kilowatt. This is the average load, but you are asked to find what is the reserve capacity. So where does this this value comes? So plant capacity factor, which is the second value given in this question, that is PCF, plant capacity factor, it is shown as 0.4. What is plant capacity factor? The equation is average load divided by the plant capacity. Plant capacity from which you can find out plant capacity. Plant capacity value will be equal to, as both the other values are available, plant capacity is equal to average load divided by PCF, that means 0.4. What is the average load? It is 7500 kilowatt. So while dividing these two, you will be obtaining it as 18,750 kilowatt. Okay. Now, you can easily find out the reserve capacity using this equation. What is the reserve capacity? You should be aware of the equation for reserve capacity. Reserve capacity is equal to plant capacity minus maximum demand. Plant capacity minus maximum demand. Okay, what is the plant capacity? It is 18,750 kilowatt. And what is the maximum demand? We have already written the equation, value given, it is given in the question. It is 15,000 kilowatt. So 15,000 kilowatt. By reducing these two, we will be obtaining the answer as 3,750 kilowatt. And this is the last answer for this problem. What will be the answer? The reserve capacity is equal to 3,750 kilowatt. So that's all for today. I hope you understood all these three problems. Study well. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned.